Hi everyone, we discussed about library functions in previous session. Link of the previous session is available in description below. Now we are going to learn about user defined function. Here we have written C program to print hello world. Now we will run this program and see the output. Okay, so it is printing hello world from main. As we have discussed in previous session, here int represents to return data type of the function. And since data type is integer, so at line number 6 we have written 0. Okay, and main is name of the function, and this parenthesis is sign of the function, and we have open and close curly braces. So this is known as function body. Inside open and close curly braces we write our business logic. So here we can observe this prototype from main function. So first we have return type, then name of the function, then parenthesis, this is function sign, then we have open and close curly braces, this is function body. Okay, so all function we declare like this. First we write return type, then name of the function, then parenthesis, then open and close curly braces, this is function body. Suppose we want to create print hello function and print hello world. So first we need to declare this print hello function. So in print hello function we will just print hello world. In this function we will just print hello world. It means this function will return nothing. So return data type of this function will be void. Void return data type of a function means it will return nothing. And then we need to write name of the function, which is print hello, then parenthesis sign, then semicolon. This is known as declaration of the function. We have declared print hello function at line number 4. Now we need to define print hello function, as main function is defined here. Okay, and main function is declared in library file since main is library function. So now we will define print hello function. So return data type of print hello function will be void. See line number 24. First we will write return data type, then we will write name of the function. Name of the function is print hello. Then we will write parenthesis sign. See line number 24. After that we have open and close curly braces. This is known as function body. Inside function body we will write our logic. So we want to print hello world from print hello function. As main function gets called from library files, same like that we need to call print hello function. So we can call print hello function from main method. So we need to write function name, then parenthesis sign. Okay, this parenthesis represents to function sign. This is how we call a function, by writing function name and followed by parenthesis. So we can write here, but just we need to write function name, then parenthesis followed by semicolon. We can have line break statement here. Now we will run this program and see the output. So first hello world from print hello is printed, this one. Okay, then hello world from main is printed, this one. Okay, so what is happening here? First compiler will read standard input output header file, then it will see declaration of the function, then it will see main function. Okay, it will start executing main function. In main function we are calling print hello function at line number 6. Okay, since main function is calling print hello function, so main function is known as calling function, and print hello function is called from main function. So print hello function is known as called function. So at line number 6 we are calling print hello function. Control flow will be given to this print hello function. Then compiler will directly come to line number 6 to 11 and it will start executing this print hello function. Okay, in function body we have written this statement at line number 12. So first this statement will get executed. So compiler will print hello world from print hello at the screen. Okay, see here. After executing line number 12, again control flow will be given to main function. Okay, compiler will come to line number 7 and it will execute rest of the lines. So at line number 7 it will print this statement, hello world from the main. See at the output screen. After executing line number 7, at line number 8 it will return 0. Okay, since return type of main function is integer, so 0 will be returned. Alright, this is all about user defined function. We will learn about execution of user defined function in next session. Link of the next session is available in description below. Okay, thank you.